In this video, I'll show you how to link Peacock to your smart home devices. This can be very useful because this allows you to stream hands-free. You can just say, hey, Google, play Peacock, or open Peacock, or play The Office. It's very handy. So step 1 is to install the Peacock app on smart device. Open the App Store on your smart home device, Google Home, Alexa, whatever you use. Search for the Peacock app and then go ahead and install it. And step 2 is to link device to your Peacock account. Open your smart home app, Alexa, Google Home, then link your Peacock account by selecting Link Peacock or Connect Peacock in the app. Then follow the prompts to authenticate your Peacock account. And that is it. That's how you match that. That's how you do this. Thanks for watching. Of course, I have to say, bing, bong, bong. And if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Ciao.